this is Anthony Taggler. Welcome to my channel. Today's unboxing with Anthony. I got a couple packages from Amazon. One's a little one like this. One's a big monster like this. I was gonna do this one last. Actually, I'm gonna do this first. I'm gonna take a where's my knife at? Lot of packages, a lot of things in this one. I'm trying to open it. First we're gonna, let's save this one last. First we're gonna do the big one. I'll keep this. See what we got in this big bad boy. Okay, we got this little thing. I don't know what that is. Oh, I think I know what that is. We got some professional speakers. Not mics, not speakers. Professional. That's one of them. I ordered 3 of them because they come with each one came with different things. Condenser microphone. Bad boys are heavy. Podcasting microphone and studio headphone kit. Some other stuff too. And an all-in-one studio setup desktop station. Setup. First, we're gonna open this, whatever this is in this bag. I think I know what it is. It's a tote, not tote bag, like a bag. Bought one. I bought it just in case when I do like videos and stuff on my YouTube channel. I could just put everything in there, everything I need, and just carry this around. It's like a bag. It's got mad pockets, so I can put my accessories in it. Put my accessories. Couple mad pockets. It comes with 3 or 4 pockets. It's supposed to come with a. Yeah. Comes with a charging brick. Or is it a charging brick? Oh. I don't know if it. I think it comes with like a charging brick. Yeah, it comes with a bunch of pockets, like at least 20 pockets altogether. You can put different stuff in it. It also comes with a pocket on the side. You can put stuff in it. It's heavy duty too, so. Okay, you can. Okay, I know what you. Oh, okay, I get it now. You hook up the I guess a power brick to one of these, and then you can charge your phone by pressing it from the thing. I thought there was a power brick in the thing, but I guess not. You gotta have your own power brick. But I got a power brick. My tripod that I use. Well, why would I use? I don't know. I might have to get a power brick. It's a nice. It's heavy duty. You take it around. Next, we're gonna open the this package. So 4K plus capture card, captured where you can capture gaming, 4K. Capture card. Well, I don't know. Doesn't have really digital now. Actually, dig it now. USB 3.0 capture, HDMI 4K plus. That was $100 and something. I don't know why it costs $100 and something, but it's, I don't know why it has 3.0. 3.0 is older. It should be like, for that price, it should be like 2.1, but not 3.0. So hopefully, I paid a lot for it. It's 4K. It does microphone, headphone, and mic, headphones, mic, HDMI in and out, and USB 3.0, and DC F5. I guess that's the plug. Looks, it feels heavy. Stuff it comes with HDMI cable. So it comes with HDMI cable and SD cable, SD type cable, and a USB cable. I don't know why it comes with USB. Oh, maybe for the type 3 point something type. I don't know what that's for. Well, I got. Plus, it comes with a 3-year warranty, instruction manual. So that's about everything. I'm getting my desktop, not desktop, my desk, gaming desk and chair tomorrow, and the day Friday. So let's open this one up. this all-in-one studio. Hold on. You know what? I'm gonna wait for this one. And I'm gonna do like 2 videos for, cause I got a green screen. I'm gonna do. You can't see it, but I'm gonna unbox these 2 at the same time. Do a video. So watch out for the video for that. For the 3 mics, I'm gonna do another video for that too. I could do a 3-in-1 video with all 3 mics, because I bought 3 mics. So it's gonna be like a mic episode. What I said for unboxing with Anthony, have a good day, have a good night. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, share my channel. Also comment on this video if you ordered the bag or the capture card, 4K capture card, or if you have it, or if you have the bag too. What I said for unboxing with Anthony, have a good day, have a good night. Also, if you like to join my Patreon, I'm going to have my Patreon linked up in the YouTube channel. So if you like to support the channel, help out the channel grow, and support the channel, and you can join the Patreon. Also, if you like to donate to the channel and support the channel, so I can grow my channel and do more videos like this or other ones, you can send donations to the PayPal address and the Cash App linked up in the YouTube channel. Also, if you'd like to buy merch for the channel so you can rock the merch, that's also going to be linked up in the YouTube channel. So if you'd like to help out and support the channel so I can do more videos like this or other ones, you can join the Patreon, donate to the PayPal and the Cash App, and you can buy merch for the YouTube channel, for my YouTube channel. But that's it for unboxing with Anthony. Have a good day. Have a good night.
All she said to them was live your life just like you're young again. No, don't you cry. Just get back up again, 'cause